Have you ever felt that quiet, nagging sense, a subtle unease that lingers in the background of your mind? It's that feeling that something isn't quite right, even when everything seems to be falling into place, that something is missing, a void that no amount of external validation seems to fill. It's like searching for a missing piece of a puzzle, but you're not even sure what the picture is supposed to look like. Even when life looks good on paper, the career is thriving, the relationship seems stable, and the achievements are piling up. Yet, beneath the surface, there's a persistent whisper questioning the true meaning of it all. You chase success, relentlessly pursuing the next milestone, the next promotion, the next big win. Tick off society's boxes, conforming to expectations, striving to meet the standards set by others, often at the expense of your own inner compass. But still wonder, is this all there is? Is this endless pursuit of external validation truly the key to a fulfilling life? Or is there something more, something deeper, that we're missing in our relentless quest for achievement? This isn't rare, it's a silent epidemic, a widespread feeling of emptiness and dissatisfaction that affects countless individuals, regardless of their apparent success or social standing. We're told happiness comes after achievement, that once we reach a certain level of success, we'll finally be able to relax and enjoy life. But what if that formula is backward? What if the pursuit of happiness should come before the achievement? Science now shows happiness isn't just luck. It's not some random occurrence that happens to a select few. It's a skill, a muscle that can be developed and strengthened through consistent effort and dedication. A practice, a set of habits and routines that can be incorporated into our daily lives to cultivate a greater sense of well-being, and a daily choice. A conscious decision to prioritize our mental and emotional health, to focus on the positive aspects of our lives, and to cultivate gratitude for what we have. Modern neuroscience, with its advanced tools and techniques, and positive psychology, a field dedicated to understanding human flourishing, have cracked the code, revealing the secrets to unlocking lasting happiness and well-being, giving us a new map to lasting joy, a roadmap that guides us towards a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. This isn't about ignoring challenges. It's not about pretending that life is always easy or that problems don't exist. It's about training our brains to see the world differently, to reframe our perspectives, to focus on the opportunities for growth and learning, and to cultivate resilience in the face of adversity. Are you ready to stop chasing happiness, to abandon the endless pursuit of external validation, and start creating it? To take control of your own well-being and actively cultivate a life filled with joy, purpose, and meaning. Let's begin. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the power within us to create a life of lasting happiness. For generations, we've operated under a specific assumption, a deeply ingrained belief, that success is the key that unlocks the door to happiness. We've been told, and many of us have believed, that if we just achieve that next milestone, that next promotion, that next level of material wealth, then and only then will we find lasting joy. But groundbreaking research is challenging this long-held notion, meticulously dismantling the conventional wisdom. It turns out, the equation we've been using is backward. Happiness isn't the result of success. Happiness is, in fact, the precursor to success. It's the foundation upon which achievement is built. When your brain is positive, when you cultivate a state of optimism and joy, you're not only happier, but you're also significantly more creative. Ideas flow more freely, and you're able to see connections and possibilities that you might have missed in a negative state. You become more productive, able to accomplish more in less time, and remarkably more resilient in the face of setbacks and challenges. Dopamine and serotonin, those feel-good neurotransmitters, don't just create a sense of well-being. They boost your brain's ability to learn new information, forge neural connections, and enhance overall cognitive function. This phenomenon is what we call the happiness advantage, and it reveals that a positive brain consistently outperforms a brain that's stressed, anxious, or even just neutral. By consciously cultivating happiness first, by prioritizing your well-being and fostering positive emotions, you set yourself up for greater success in all your endeavors. This isn't just about professional achievements. It impacts every area of life, from your relationships to your health to your overall sense of fulfillment. The real shift, it's about prioritizing and focusing on building internal well-being, nurturing your inner self, and not just chasing external goals and fleeting moments of material success. The science is clear. A happy brain is not just a pleasant brain, it's a successful brain. optimized for performance and achievement. The journey to a better life, a more fulfilling and successful life, starts with a new mindset, a shift in perspective that places happiness at the forefront. To create happiness, we must understand our brain's malleability, neuroplasticity. Our thoughts and habits physically reshape our brains. If you focus on negativity, you train your brain to find it everywhere, but you can consciously carve new pathways for positivity. Our brains are wired for connection. Genuine interactions release oxytocin, lowering anxiety and boosting trust. Loneliness triggers stress, but connection builds resilience. Happiness isn't accidental, it's built, thought by thought, action by action. We have the power to rewire our minds for joy and fulfillment. Let's put science into action with gratitude. We often hear about the benefits of gratitude, but let's explore how it works on a deeper level, backed by scientific research. It's more than just saying thank you. It's about actively shifting your perspective. Practicing gratitude shifts your brain's focus. Neuroimaging studies show that when you express gratitude, certain areas of your brain associated with reward and positive emotion light up. From problems to positives, rewiring your perception. This isn't just a fleeting feeling. Consistent gratitude practice can actually strengthen neural pathways associated with positive thinking, making it easier to access those thoughts and feelings in the future. Try this for 21 days, a common time frame for habit formation. Write down 3 new things you're grateful for each day. This simple act forces you to actively search for the good in your life, even on challenging days. They can be small: a good coffee, that first sip in the morning, a kind word, a compliment from a friend or colleague, a sunny morning, the warmth on your skin, the bright light filling the room. This simple habit trains your brain to spot the good automatically. Over time, you'll find yourself naturally noticing and appreciating the positive aspects of your life, without even having to try. In one stressed workplace, where employees were feeling overwhelmed and burnt out, this exercise boosted optimism, creating a more positive and hopeful outlook among the staff. Reduce stress, helping employees feel calmer and more in control, and improved teamwork, fostering better communication and collaboration between colleagues, without changing circumstances. The external environment remained the same, but the internal experience of the employees shifted dramatically. That's the gratitude effect. Not ignoring challenges, it's not about denying the difficulties you face, but seeing the good alongside the bad. It's about acknowledging both the positive and negative aspects of a situation, creating a more balanced and realistic perspective. Gratitude creates a buffer against stress and builds resilience. It helps you bounce back from setbacks and navigate difficult times with greater ease. 2 minutes a day can change how you see the world. It's a small investment with a potentially huge return. Start today and watch your mindset shift. Embrace the power of gratitude and unlock a more positive and resilient you. The next strategy is deepening social connections. Our brains crave real community, not just digital contact. Strong relationships are key to long-term happiness and health. Try this. Spend 2 minutes daily sending a positive message to someone. Praise, thanks, or a kind memory. This strengthens bonds and boosts your own mood through kindness. In one call center, this habit transformed the workplace, increasing collaboration and retention. Happiness grows in community, not isolation. Small, consistent acts of connection create a resilient support network. Nurture your relationships and watch your joy multiply. The third strategy is connecting daily actions to a sense of meaning. Meaning isn't just grand gestures. It's found in reframing everyday tasks. Use the meaning marker. Each morning, identify one task that brings purpose to your day. It could be helping a colleague, supporting family, or making someone's day better. Research shows that seeing your work as meaningful boosts motivation and satisfaction. Like hospital janitors who saw themselves as part of the healing team, you can transform any job with the right mindset. Purpose turns chores into callings. Find meaning in what you do, and happiness will follow. We've explored the science of happiness and practical strategies to build it. Happiness isn't luck, it's a skill you can practice and strengthen. Your brain is always changing. You can be its architect. Start with small habits, gratitude, connection, and meaning. The stories shared aren't exceptions. They're possibilities for everyone. You don't need a perfect life to feel happy. You can start now with what you have. Choose one strategy and commit to it for a week. Notice the shifts in your perspective and well-being. Your journey to joy can start today. The power to create happiness has always been inside you. Now you have the science to unlock it.